Welcome everybody to the 12 nights of Beast Mode Christmas Camping. What'd you bring me, Tony?
So Dana was nice enough to get us special 12 nights of Christmas gifts with very specific instructions. We can only open one a night. And she does have them labeled. She's got everything. And I've already
Sweet.
double check it. It does say number 1.
I got it.
Does it? Yeah.
Okay.
Just making sure I don't want to get in trouble on this one.
Thank you, Santa Dana.
All right. So
it's just, this is just like mystery box kind of thing?
for you and me, it's mystery box.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Well, it's Christmas morning, basically.
It's okay.
It's
well,
12,
it will be in 12 days anyway.
it's the 12 nights of Christmas, Beast Mode Camping.
All right.
So we're gonna open up one a day, or
Okay.
one a night. Maybe we can cheat and open up one during the day, but
We can't peek.
The instructions were
Hey, wait a minute.
Yeah, hey, what's rip a little corner. Hey, also had very specific instructions. Make the pretty side showing that way. All right. And she went through all this effort, dude. She is awesome.
That is awesome.
Do you want? Should I open the first
Go
one?
ahead. You got it.
So, we're gonna be doing these for the next 12 days.
Oh, I can't wait. So excited.
Holiday flames.
What?
Let's see what these are.
Holiday.
And hey, Steve, what do we do with this stuff?
It makes good fire. What is this?
Oh boy.
Ooh. Holiday flames.
Let's go and open up that bad boy.
Okay,
Let's see.
color your fire. Okay, so this is fire colors. Okay.
Oh, it probably would have been nice with that big old bad boy there.
Oh no, it's okay. Unless this is something different than what I'm thinking.
I'm thinking that's what it is. Oh, red and green. Christmas colors.
Christmas color. Oh man, there's a ton of them in there.
What?
Look at all these.
How many we got?
Look at it. Look at that.
Look at Don't drop them.
Okay, if it works like the ones that I've seen before, because I've seen stuff similar to this before, you're supposed to just throw the whole package like way up inside the fire.
All right.
And they recommend to put more than one, like maybe 2 or 3 in there at a time.
Simply toss pouch into fire creates vibrant, colorful flames for wood burning fires.
And it's red and green like Christmas colors.
It's Christmas.
Too. Okay, so hold on. Let me get a little hole in here.
Just so we can see what this stuff looks like.
Yeah, and then we can drop them down in the hole right there.
Hey, so for all you campers out there, we're about to test these out. Maybe something cool for you guys to do while you're camping with the kids. I'm just gonna pop it right there. Oh, whoa!
Oh, you missed. Okay, and hey,
Oh, you gonna let me do it again?
if
Thanks,
you're
buddy.
nice, I'll see if I can call Santa.
Oh wait, how many you throwing in there?
3.
We're not gonna have enough.
Dude, come on, man. There's 100 of them in here. You're supposed to put. Oh, look, there it goes already. There you go. Look at that.
Let's take a look.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And if you've been a good boy or girl
Oh, boy,
all year
look at that.
long, I'll see if I can call Santa and get him to give me a link to these so you can go get some for yourself.
That's pretty awesome. Look at
I'll
that.
put that link in the description. That is very cool.
So we've got the normal fire down on the right.
I see some blue and green in there.
That's pretty awesome.
A lot of blue and green. That is really cool. And that'll probably burn like that for a half hour or more.
Wow.
You know what
Look
I
at
mean?
that.
That is very cool. Nice.
All right.
All right, well, that's pretty cool, man. Dude, that's like the gift that keeps on giving. Awesome, Tony. Thank you, Dana. Hey, thanks for watching our day 1 of Beast Mode Christmas Camping. Come back tomorrow, see what we've got for day 2.